Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome to Food Tuesday. Hit the like button. Subscribe button. Hit the bell button.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday, everybody. Today we are making chocolate cake. And the star of the show today is a sweet potato. So I like to call it my little sweet potato cake. So what else do we have in this? Well, we have 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 3 large whole eggs, a 1/3 of a cup of honey.
That's raw honey.
Raw honey. A 1/4 of a teaspoon, a little bit more if you want, of cinnamon, and a dash of sea salt. So what did we do first, Logan? Do you remember? We had to bake the potato first. So we baked the potato, and this is a great recipe if you have a leftover baked potato you're not sure what to do with. So you just want to peel off the skin after it's been baked and add all of your wet ingredients and mash it all together in a bowl. Your wet ingredients would be like your eggs and your honey and your coconut oil. And then you want to fold in your dry ingredients and bake that in the oven for about a half an hour at 350 degrees. Now I made about a dozen muffins plus this little cake right here out of this amount. So what do we have, again, in 16 servings, what do we have nutritionally for this amount? Do you want to help me out? Okay, so how many calories? Can you read that?
87.
87 calories.
4.9.
4.9 fats, very good.
1.8.
1.8 proteins.
It's
okay, keep going.
9.4,
9.4 carbs.
6.1
sugars.
1
fiber. 1
fiber.
fiber, and then that's all there is to it. Pretty good, right? Not bad. And if you want to put frosting on your sweet potato cake, check out the link in the bio for our avocado frosting. Chocolate. We hope that you love it as much as we do, and we will see you again next time on Food Tip Tuesday.
Bye.
Bye.
And you're gonna love that because it's tasty chocolatey.
Oh, he's got a shoe. Blueberry muffin?